Guys, ever felt overwhelmed by the number of devices you need to connect to your computer? I mean, USB hubs can be a lifesaver, right? But not all are created equal. Today, we're taking a look at the FIDECO 7-port USB 3.2 10 gigabits Type-C, Type-A hub. That's a mouthful. But I've got to say, this little powerhouse might just be the solution that you're looking for. So stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, if you don't know FIDECO, well, they make a bunch of connectors, adapters and docks, and this 7-port USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second Type-C, Type-A hub is just one to note. Now, before we get into it, FIDECO sent me this 7-port hub to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you've got a USB-A to USB-C cable. You also get a mains power adapter to power this bad boy up, and you get some paperwork, which incidentally, it's definitely worth a read, so take a look at it. I'm not a big paperwork lover, but this is going to explain all of the features, the ports and all of the outputs in detail. And lastly guys, of course, you get the hub itself. Now, I've got to say, first off, right, looking at the design of this FIDECO hub is crafted from full aluminium alloy. Now, this isn't just for looks, right? It serves a practical purpose. Aluminium helps dissipate heat quickly, keeping your devices cool during use. The hub also features a non-slip rubber pad on the bottom, so when you've got all your cables plugged in, it's going to keep it stable and it's going to prevent it from scratching your desk. I mean, it's a small detail, right? But it kind of shows the thoughtful design. Now, of course, you techie guys want to know about, well, specs, right? Well, this hub boasts USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard. So what does that mean? Well, it translates to data transfer speed of up to 10 gigabits per second. I mean, imagine transferring a 4K movie in seconds rather than minutes, which is obviously going to significantly boost your productivity. Now, one standout feature is the BC 1.2 charging support. Now, BC 1.2 stands for USB battery charging 1.2. It's a standard that allows USB ports to provide more power for charging. Now, with BC 1.2 devices, you can draw up to 1.5 amps instead of the standard 0.5 amp. This means faster charging time for your portable devices. Also guys, the FIDECO hub has one USB-A port and one USB-C port that supports that BC 1.2. So you know what? You can charge your devices and transfer data at the same time. So no more choosing between charging your phone or transferring files. Now guys, talking about ports, well, this hub offers 4 USB-A ports and 3 USB-C ports. Now, this mix of ports is incredibly versatile. You can connect both older devices that use USB-A and newer ones that use USB-C. I've never really found a decent hub that has got a good spread of USB-C ports with the USB-A ports. Well, this one does, so no need for multiple hubs or adapters. Also guys, compatibility is crucial for any tech accessory, and this FIDECO hub works with Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It's plug and play, meaning no drivers are needed, just connect it to your computer and you are good to go. As I already showed guys, the hub comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. This means you can use it with both USB-A and USB-C laptops or desktops. It even works with OTG-enabled phones and tablets. So guys, I mean, if you're a photographer, right, with multiple external hard drives, you can connect them all to this single hub, streamlining your workflow. Or maybe you're a student with various devices, laptop, tablet, phone, whatever. This hub can charge them all while you transfer files between devices. And for you office workers, well, it can declutter your desk by centralizing all of your USB connections. Now guys, a common concern with USB hubs is power distribution, but the FIDECO hub comes with a 5 volt, 3 amp power adapter. This ensures a stable power supply to all your connected devices. You won't have to worry about devices disconnecting due to lack of power. And remember guys, a USB hub is an investment in your productivity. It can save you time and reduce frustration in your daily tech interactions. The FIDECO hub, with its combination of speed, versatility and thoughtful design, really does offer excellent value. So guys, there you have it. A look at the FIDECO 7-port USB 3.2 10 gigabits per second Type-C Type A hub. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to simplify their tech setup, and all at a price that won't break the bank, which I have to say is a bit of a steal for all of those productivity gains. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to FIDECO for sending me this very useful hub to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.